This is Mr. Anderson from Kellogg Community College for Statistics Math 130, and I'm going to show you today how to quickly make a pie chart or pie graph in Excel or OpenOffice. Now, all you need to do, I'm using Office 2010, and you create in your A column your categories, and your B column your frequency, or whatever the problem in the book has you do. I've just put up some random values here with some activities, and you would then click on the insert key. The insert would then give you the option for pie. Click on that once, and then you can choose the kind of pie graph you want, or 3D if you want to be fancy. I'll choose 3D, and it will, with this as your only set of data, it will go and choose the entire data set there, and it will do a very nice job of it without any kind of muss or fuss. I would strongly recommend that you try to ignore when Windows wants you to do things differently, but more importantly, try to experiment a little bit with all the other things that Excel can do for you too. Maybe change things as to how they look. You can actually click on some of these text boxes and move them around. This might be nice when making a presentation for someone or somebody. It's not really required for the homework assignment, but it does make things kind of nice, and this is a very powerful program. Now, if you don't have money to spend to buy Microsoft Office, even though there are lots of educator discounts and also the software is available in the computer lab, OpenOffice, which can be downloaded at openoffice.org, is a free program that can do what all the big boys can do without the cost. And the best thing about it is that you can save the files and you can read by both, which is kind of nice. Alright, so let's go, and you can highlight or decide not to highlight here, but this time you will click the chart up here in the there's a little icon that has some bar graphs there. Now first it'll put up the bar graph, and it will smartly pick the columns that you've worked with. But what I would do is choose pie, and then, without, you can choose 3D look if you want to, and then it creates what you have here. Again, there are ways to kind of modify this, and I'd play around with this a little bit. OpenOffice can get the job done. So if you have any questions, just let me know.